Now, exogenetic process, geography, second lesson, 9th standard, exogenetic process, part 2. Under part 2, depositional landforms of river. Now, alluvial fan, floodplain, estuary, delta, or depositional landforms. Now we'll see what is estuary. Estuary is formed where the rivers meets the sea. Now delta. Delta is a triangular shaped low-lying area formed by the river at its mouth is called delta. Now under the depositional landforms, karst topography. It is formed due to the dissolution of soluble rocks such as limestone, dolomite and gypsum. Karst regions are found in France, Spain, Sri Lanka, etc. You can see in this area karst topography. Now deposition of landforms of karst, K-A-R-S-T, karst. Deposition of landforms, karst topography, it means K-A-R-S-T, karst topography. Stalactite and stalagmite column, all the landforms formed in the karst topography. Now we'll see about stalactite. Water contained calcite. Calcite is a chemical. Water contained calcite is a chemical dissolved gradually from the ceiling of the caves. Water evaporates. Then remaining calcite hangs from the ceiling. Thus stalactite or formed. Now we'll see about stalagmites. When calcite is a chemical, deposit rises upward like a pillar. So stalagmites are formed. Stalactite and stalagmite meet together to form like pillar and columns. Now about glaciers. It is a large mass of ice that moves slowly over the land from its place of accumulations. It is called glaciers. There are the two types of glaciers, that is continental and valley glacier. Now we'll see about continental glaciers. Thick sheet of ice that covers vast areas of a continent is called continental glacier. Continental glacier, it means thick sheets of ice that covers vast areas of a continent is called continental glaciers. Now we'll see about what is valley glacier. The glacier which takes its origin from a snow-covered mountain range is known as valley glaciers. Valley glaciers, it means the glaciers which takes its origin from a snow-covered mountain range is known as valley glaciers. Now, depositional landforms of glaciers. So, like moraine, drumlin, esker, etc. are the formation of the glaciers, landforms of the glaciers due to the deposition. Now, moraine. We'll see what is moraine. It means landforms formed by the glacial deposits of valley or continental glaciers are termed as moraines. Moraines means landforms formed by the glacial deposits of valley or continental glaciers are termed as moraines. Now drumlin, 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 drumlin. It means these are the deposits of the glacial moraines that seems to be like giant inverted teaspoons or half cut eggs. So this seems to be like giant, like a spoon, giant inverted teaspoon or half cut edges. Erosional landforms of wind. Due to the wind, what types of landforms formed by the erosion? Mushroom rock. Rocks are made up of hard and also soft layers. When a rock bottom is soft, wind blows against it and remove it down. Due to it, the bottom gets eroded away to form a mushroom-like structure. So mushroom rock is like rocks are made up of hard and soft layers. When a rock's bottom is soft, wind blows against it and remove it down. Due to it, the bottoms get eroded away and to form like a mushroom structure. Inselberg, second type of landforms due to the wind erosion. Inselberg, it means island mountains. So like igneous rocks are more resistant to wind action. Due to its such isolated residual, it means like remaining hills, residual hills rising abruptly from their surroundings. Inselberg is a type of land formation due to the wind erosion. So Inselberg, it means island mountains. Like igneous rocks are more resistant to wind action due to its such isolated residual hills, remaining hills rising abruptly from their surroundings. Now yardang. Next action of the erosional landforms of the wind, yardang. In the arid region, particular rocks have hard and soft layers arranged vertically. When wind blows over these rocks, the soft layers get eroded. After that, it seems to be like a irregular crest. CRESTS, crest. It is called as yardang. Yardang, it means in the arid region, particularly rocks have hard and soft layers arranged vertically. When wind blows over it, these rocks, the soft layers get eroded. After that, it seems to be like irregular crest. It is called as yardang. Depositional landforms of wind. So in the depositional of wind, what type of landforms are formed? So like first one, sand dunes in desert. During sandstorms, wind carries loads of sand. When speed of wind decreases, huge amount of sand gets deposited. This is called as sand dunes. Next one, loess. Loess, it means it is refers to the deposit of fine silt and porous sand over a vast region. Erosional landforms of waves. Due to the wave erosional landforms occurred. Some erosional landforms of sea waves or sea cliff, sea cave, beach, etc. Like these type of the landforms created or formed by the erosion of waves. Now we'll see sea cave. Prolonged wave attack on the base of a cliff eroded rocks materials due to its in the sea cave forms. So sea cave, it means prolonged wave attack on the base of a cliff erodes rock materials due to its in the sea cave forms. Now, sea arch. When two caves of a headland united, they form an arch. Sea arch, it means when two sea caves of a headland united, they form an arch. Next one, wave cut platform. The surface found at the foot of sea cliffs are called wave cut platform. The surface found at the foot of a sea cliff are called as wave cut platforms. Depositional landforms of waves. So due to the deposition of waves, what type of the landforms formed? Now we'll see sand and gravel are moved deposited by waves along the shore to form beaches. Beaches, it means sand and gravel are moved and deposited by waves along the shore to form beaches. Bar. It is an elongated deposit of sand or mud found in the sea, almost parallel to the shoreline. Bar, it means it is an elongated deposit of sand or mud found in the sea, almost parallel to the shoreline. Next, spit. It is a kind of landforms due to the deposition of waves. It is an embankment of sediment attached to the land on the one end and stop in open water on the other end. Spit, it means it is embankment of sediment attached to the land on one end and stop in open water on the other end. It is called as spit.